Go for it, Steve. And then we'll put it on a gas mark 7 and wait for it to dry. Selfie stick here, which is quite good actually. I quite like it. See, I did this. You can read it the right way round inside, look. Oh, bless. And I did a bit on the back. I better show you the bit on the back. And let me show you the bit on the back. Oh, look. Bacon and PS2. Oh yes. Bar, bar, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who keeps piddling in the lane. To 8 in the morning. Look. It is the seaside. Oh wow. It is the seaside. I don't know what this is. It seems to have a solar panel on the top of it. And a rubbish bin there, and a cigarette thing there, and it's called a Big Belly Solar. What's a Big Belly Solar? Okay, so that's the Big Belly Solar. This is why I couldn't get down the steps. Steps at the bottom there. It's a big step down, I can tell you that. Can you get in all right?
You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 4:40 p.m.
Okay, a bit of subtle videoing now. Another camper van has just turned up. And look how he's parked, look. Look. He is just slightly on the curb. Oh, bless him. Bless him.